Nike is emphasizing dark-toned sneakers for holiday 2025, spotlighting the Nike Dunk Low SE Triple Black. Featuring suede overlays, a nubuck foundation, and rope laces, this model delivers a refined yet stealthy vibe perfect for cooler months. Its minimalist appeal mirrors the energy of the awaited Air Jordan 4 Black Cat, underscoring the dominance of triple black footwear. Scheduled for release between October and December 2025, the Dunk joins Nike's blackout lineup that also includes models like the Dunk Low GORE-TEX. These designs reflect both versatility and seasonal style, offering understated yet fresh options for sneaker fans. Official images highlight their sleek adaptability, aligning with darker fashion moods this season. Altogether, Nike's all-black strategy reinforces its focus on timeless yet modern silhouettes, ensuring sneaker enthusiasts have elevated choices that resonate with autumn and winter's fashion sensibilities.